welcome to the introductory video to the MassBackup module inside of the DemandTools Data Quality Suite for Salesforce administrators made by CRM Fusion. The MassBackup module is a module that will allow you to select all of your Salesforce database tables or just select specific database tables and simply download them to your local client machine as a Microsoft Access MDB database. The tool is very simple to use, but it is important to realize that it does back up to the MDB database format, and I thought it would be smart to point out some limitations of the MDB data file format at this point. Maximum characters in a table name 64, characters in a field name 64. One of the ones that comes up fairly often is the 255 maximum number of fields allowed in a table. The other one that comes up is the total database size of 2 gigabytes. Some people say that even 2 gigabytes might be pushing the Access database format a bit high. A gig and a gig and a half is probably more in a realistic zone. So knowing the limitations to the MDB file format, we will go take a look at the module. If the MDB file format is not good enough for your application, I suggest you look at the other backup module inside of the DemandTools suite called Backup. Backup uses the new Salesforce bulk loader and has the support for the new Microsoft Access database format with much higher limitations. So let's go in and take a look at MassBackup. The MassBackup module is available in the maintenance section from the main menu of DemandTools. The interface is pretty simple. It starts with the first button, whether or not we want to export all tables or whether we would like to make a table by table selection. Usually if you're backing up your entire database for backup purposes, you would select and leave export all tables on. Sometimes if you're just working on a table or two, maybe I'll work on a custom airplane object here, and I don't know, maybe there's a related object I want. I'd simply select the two. Grab a file name. I'll call this airplanes, and export out the airplanes MDB file. Simply hit the export button and the MDB file will begin its creation. And you can watch as this file has been created without error. There's a log of the transaction, and of course the database has been saved to our DemandTools data directory. Anyways, this is the simpler but still pretty useful MassBackup inside of the DemandTools suite from CRM Fusion. Thanks very much.